So today I'm going to show you how to make a really cute caterpillar to go with our story, The Very Hungry Caterpillar by Eric Carle. So what I did here was I simply took an egg carton and I cut it in half, and then I took some of the ends and made some little antennas, and you have a very cute caterpillar that we could decorate. Now you can use paints or you can use magic markers. I know in the story his face was red, so I'm going to use some of my paints here to paint a red face on here. You can even use your hands and use some fingerprints if you like, and use finger paints if you'd like. And the rest of him was green. So I'm going to paint the rest of these green. Or you can paint them whatever color you like. You can make them multicolored. You can make them all different colors. Whatever you choose. Remember, give choices. Give choices of colors. Offer, would you like to use red paint? Would you like to use green paint? You might like to use purple paint or markers or crayons or whatever you happen to have at home. The important thing is that we're taking these opportunities to give choices. And also you can have some good fine motor skill opportunities here by holding your brushes or your markers, or by using finger paints, or however you choose to decorate your little caterpillar. And then when we get it all done, you can let it dry. And I have some markers here, and we can make some eyes to glue on when he dries. And we can also add a mouth. And these we can cut out and glue on when our little caterpillar is dry. Hope you enjoyed this fun craft activity.